Radio 2.
Here's
Alexa, do you have a fault? It's just absolutely crap. It's been playing since 8 o'clock as an alarm to play at 8.
Sorry.
It's just stopped. Alexa, play Radio 2.
Here's Radio 2.
This is what
The
happened.
BBC.
So it's took over a minute, because obviously I've tried a few times before I start doing the video, to make it work. And it's just crap. It come on at 8 o'clock, it goes off after an hour. It's actually just under because it's 10 to 9 now. And it breaks up. It's like it's lost the signal, but obviously it hasn't. I've got 220 meg broadband with Netgear extenders, I can't remember what they're called. Nighthawk extenders. So the Wi-Fi in the house is incredible, it's a good signal. It's just these devices that are messing up and I'm sick of it. Alexa, add to favourites.
Sorry, it appears nothing is playing at the moment.
So this unit is absolutely rubbish. So it's playing best of the 80s or something. Alexa, add to favourites.
What should I add?
Current song.
I added current song to your shopping list.
Alexa, add to favourites.
Sorry, it appears nothing is playing at the moment.
Absolute piece of crap. Worst 120 quid I've ever spent on any technology, this. But it was 40 minutes ago when I asked it to play, it might be 50 minutes ago I asked it to play Radio 2. I've just come back in the house and nothing's happening. So now, again, I have to say, Alexa, play Radio 2. Alexa, play Radio 2.
Here's Radio 2.
It's just crazy. I shouldn't have to be saying
The
everything
BBC.
2, 3, 4, 5 times. And I shouldn't have to be doing it every 50 minutes. This has got to be fixed. It's ridiculous, Amazon, and it's not only mine. My dad's is exactly the same. I've got 3 customers, and 2 of them 3 have exactly the same problem. The other one says he don't listen to radio on it, he plays music. But I will, when I'm there next, I'm going to ask him to play Radio 2 and see what happens as well. But you've got to fix this bug. It's infuriating.